What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we have a case video, guys. Got some Spigen cases in, so we're gonna do this one by one. And the first case we're gonna touch is the Spigen Thin Fit for the Pixel 7 Pro. Now this is the case I've been getting for a lot of devices, and it's normally only in the black colorway, but today we got a metal slate. And I picked the metal slate up because I thought it would go dope with the camera bar on the Pixel 7 Pro. Typical Spigen white and orange packaging. Spigen is definitely an OG case company. Slim design for perfect grip, form fitted for device, and perfect protection. This is a very minimal case, like the most minimal case that you can get. $17.99 on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. So let's go ahead and get it out. So here we go, guys. This is the Thin Fit again. As you can see, we got some nice Spigen branding, and we got a metal slate finish. There is something new about this case, guys. It's normally just a totally polycarbonate case, but I see they added some TPU around the edges, made it a little soft. So just a little change up. If you've been using a Thin Fit, you know it's normally like the back, just totally polycarbonate, but we do got some rubber going on around the edges now. This is not the biggest case for protection. This is all about being minimal and sleek, even though it offers protection, nice and hard. Polycarbonate back. As you can see, it's definitely going to be protecting that camera bump. It goes all the way up and around the camera bar, so that's pretty dope, with a nice big cutout for all the sensors. We got some Spigen branding going on, and like I said, we got that TPU on the sides now, and the button press is the TPU with the slits in it, guys. Nice look, nice clean button press right here. Let's just go ahead and get the phone in the case. As I suspected, this metal slate looks really nice with this silver camera bar on the Pixel 7 Pro, guys. Definitely a nice look, and it's nice and raised up around the camera bar, so it's covering most of the sides, so you won't take a lot of scratches because this aluminum on this camera bar is kind of easily scratched from what I see. You don't want to suffer those scratches. You can see nice big cutouts on the bottom for your Type-C and your speakers, and we got some raised lip action, so the case will hit a surface before the device, guys. Definitely a good look. I like the addition of the TPU around the edges. Feels really good in the hand. Really minimal on this device. This is the Spigen Thin Fit, guys. Definitely a good look. I'm put a link down in the description. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you're not following me on Instagram and Twitter, go ahead and follow me, BG_TechLife. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.